As the world accelerates towards a clean energy future, the demand for batteries is accelerating in every sector, creating immense market potential. ABB gives battery manufacturers proven end-to-end production solutions, integrating electrification, instrumentation, control and digital, whilst reducing interface complexity. We can help build greenfield sites up to 30% faster, speeding up delivery, installing cutting-edge integrated processes to help optimize every aspect of production, lowering costs, and providing complete operational transparency. With unrivaled domain knowledge and expertise, ABB is your ideal partner for a sustainable, battery-powered future.